Hello, my name is Chong On. I'm presenting for the class JAC 444, workshop number 1. This is task 1. Here we have cryptography, and what we do here, we have a simple numerical manipulation of a certain integer, and then swapping the digits and adding the digits and so on to get a encoded encrypted number, and then we have the decoding to do the reverse. So here we have the class task 1, and here we have the function encoding, in which we separate the digits and then we add 7 and then swap the digits. Then we ended up with a encoded number. And then in the decoding function, we just do the reverse by adding 3 instead of 7 and swapping back the digits, and then we get back the original number. In the main, it's just about displaying the results and the input. So to compile this, we get this. Or let's test some invalid input. So, or another number is like this. So this is how it works. Hello, my name is Chong On. This is the second video of workshop 1, and this is on task 2 and task 3. Here, this is a separate project. I have 3 classes, task 2 and task 3. And in task 2, it is a simple game called craps, throwing dice, and then we have two dice and then 2 sums. The first sum is on the first round of throwing. Then we have the roll function, which is here, the randomized roll number of 1 to 6. And then we have the first sum, which is the first turn. So if it is 7 or 11, then I win. Or if it is 2 or 3 or 12, then I lose. If it's otherwise, then we have the second round. So this is where we use sum tool. We use sum tool to determine subsequent rounds or turns. So to demonstrate this, so this first round, it is not determinate. So, okay, the second round I lose. To run again, the first one I already win. To run again, I win again. There may be multiple rounds. Okay, I win again. So, in task 3, this is the same craps but more elements. We have betting, we have gambling here. You start off with 1000, you input the wager, and then there's a boolean to see if you continue the game or you quit. So the 2 booleans are in the main function, and there's a main play function, the big function, where you have the starting balance and to check the inputs for the wager, and to throw dice again as in task 2 is the same, except that we have the money element and current balance. Just in case it turns to 0, then the game ends. Or after the first roll, if it is not certain if you are winning or losing, then you have a second round. Then you throw dice again, and generates the same roll function as below. This is the same. So the same applies here for the second round and the points established at the first round roll number. The repeat function is to let you choose if you want to continue or not. So just to demonstrate this, so this is not the end. I can press again to see if I win. Okay, I lose. So if I don't continue, then I'm done. There's another chatter class where you have the randomized messages throughout the game. So I demonstrate again. Okay, I win. So I continue. I win again. I lose. So there's no such option. I can only enter 1 or 2. Suppose I bet a lot. Okay, I win a lot this time. I continue, then I bet. Oh, I bet everything and I lose. So this is about it.